Cut out any letter from an object using Adobe Illustrator. Stay tuned. Create a new 1000 by 1000 points project. Select Polygon tool from the drop list of Rectangle tool by clicking and holding the icon. By holding Shift and Alt or Option key, hold and drag from the center of the artboard to maintain proportions until desired size achieved. Select any fill color of your choice. From the Tool tabs, select Type tool or press T on your keyboard. Type any letter, then resize your text while holding Shift key. And choose a bold font to maximize the space of your logo. I used Into Deep Font from dafont.com. Download link in the description. Select both polygon and text, then go to Align tab. Click Align to Center and Align to Middle. Select the text layer, then go to Object tab, click Expand, and on the popped-up window, make sure that the Object and Fill checkbox are checked, then press OK. Select both layers again, then go to Pathfinder tab, and click -front option. Now, let's try to put some background color to check if our letter has been cut out from the polygon. Let's add a new 1000 by 1000 points rectangle. And change the fill color to black. Align to center in middle. Then right-click, Arrange, and click Send to Back. Let's try to change the background color. You can choose any color you want. You can even change the color of the polygon. Or even put a picture in it by using clipping mask. On my next video, I will show you how to clip any photos in an object or text using clipping mask.